Okay. Quickly going through actions from this class. Number one, believe and worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He is our creator and He's our provider. Understand the purpose of our creation and spread this message. It is very important. We went through the first 6-7 ayahs of Surah Hud, this amazing part of the Holy Quran, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explains us and gives answers to all the questions that we have. And we summarized them in 5 questions and we got those answers. Who's our creator? What is our purpose of the creation? What will happen to us when we die? What should we do in this life as well? And is this an authentic source of information? So all of those questions were answered. And the key action and the summary for us was that we need to believe and worship in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, our creator and provider. And once we have understood the purpose of this creation and gotten these big answers in just these 5, 6, 7 ayahs, the starting 7 ayahs, and once we have understood this concept, then we need to also spread the message to other people who are confused. They can be within the Muslims or as well as non-Muslims who are confused about, who's our creator, why am I here, what's happening, and what should I do, and what will happen when I die, and all of these things. We should explain it to them as well. Number 2, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives a taste of His mercy and then takes it away. So we saw this example that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala shared with us in ayahs number 9, 10, and 11. And he mentioned that when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives someone something and then takes it away as a test, then normally what happens is that they start to get into depression, and then they start asking questions, why it happened to me, why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did it to me, I'm such a nice person, all of these things. Then they start to, worst case, even get into disbelief and say that, maybe there is no Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. See, I've been given these many interviews for a job, and I'm praying to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Still, my prayers are not getting answered. So maybe this is all fake and religion is not true. And they get into the extreme of disbelieving. However, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that the action for us is that we should have patience and we should pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for easing the situation and getting His mercy and blessing back, instead of questioning and worst case starting to disbelieve. So that's the wrong way. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala brings back His mercy and blessings, then some of the people, they become arrogant and they say, now I'm getting all of this because of my own efforts. And however, the right way is that we should thank and praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for all His blessings and everything that He has provided us, instead of becoming arrogant, instead of thinking it is my effort, I am self-made, and it is because of my skills and my effort that I'm getting all of these things. This is the wrong way. And finally, we should not be after worldly gains only, because those people who live their lives and enjoying their lives without even thinking about religion, or fine, I will pray whenever I want, and I will do the party and I will do everything. I will not follow halal, haram, whatever, I'll continue to enjoy life, and it's a short life, and and a lot of these things are also spread over the internet, and these messages are being instilled, especially amongst the youth, that it's you only live once, and there's a short form YOLO. I'm sure you guys are aware, YOLO, that they mention you only live once, so just enjoy, do whatever you want and everything. These are all wrong concepts against Islam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that we have to have a balanced life, and we have to also focus on our akhirah, and we have to understand that there will be a day of judgment and we'll be asked for everything that we are doing. And this is a test. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created this heavens and the earth? To test those people who will perform the best deeds, meaning who will follow the instructions that are mentioned in the Holy Quran, that we also saw in the first 5 questions that I mentioned earlier. So this marks the end of today's lesson. Final, any comments, anything from you guys? Okay, good. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. O Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you are pure from imperfection, and all praise is due to you. I bear witness that there is none worthy of worship besides you. I seek forgiveness from you and return to you with your full obedience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear brothers. Inshallah, I will see you next week, same time.